Disgusting news out of Connecticut. John H. Durham, United States Attorney for the District of Connecticut, announced that LUQMAN GOTTI, formerly known as Timothy Pennington, 37, of Manchester, waived his right to be indicted and pleaded guilty today before U.S. District Judge Victor A. Bolden in Bridgeport to a child pornography offense. According to court documents and statements made in court, in June 2017, Gotti and a 13-year-old boy were communicating through the Kik messaging application. After the boy informed Gotti that he was 14 years old, Gotti asked the boy for pictures and sent the boy a sexually explicit image of himself, intending that the boy send Gotti a sexually explicit picture in return. The boy then sent sexually explicit pictures of himself to Gotti. Later in the conversation, Gotti told the boy, "I already went to jail over a 14-year-old, not trying to go through that again." Gotti then asked the boy for more sexually explicit pictures. In response, the boy sent Gotti another sexually explicit photograph and video of himself. Gotti pleaded guilty to one count of accessing with intent to view child pornography, an offense that carries a maximum term of imprisonment of 10 years. However, based on Gotti's prior felony conviction in the state of Connecticut for second-degree sexual assault of a 14-year-old girl, the government's position is that Gotti faces enhanced penalties of a mandatory minimum term of imprisonment of 10 years and a maximum term of imprisonment of 20 years. Gotti's name in 2000, when he sustained the sexual assault conviction, was Timothy Pennington. Gotti legally changed his name from Timothy Pennington. Gotti was arrested on a federal criminal complaint on April 25, 2018. He has been in state custody on related charges since November 14, 2017. A sentencing date has not been scheduled. This matter is being investigated by the Federal Bureau of Investigation and the Manchester Police Department. The case is being prosecuted by Assistant U.S. Attorneys Neeraj N. Patel and Pilar Gonzalez. This prosecution is part of the U.S. Department of Justice's Project Safe Childhood initiative, which is aimed at protecting children from sexual abuse and exploitation. For more information about Project Safe Childhood, please visit www.justice.gov/psc. To report cases of child exploitation, please visit www.cybertipline.com. U.S. Attorney's Office. District of Connecticut. We want to thank all the brave men and women who have dedicated their lives to keeping our country safe. God bless America.